Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me Jojo
And me, Shrutspa.
and आज हमें गम नहीं because Johnny is here. It's
Baba.
I know. It's a very highly requested track. I think his last solo we reacted to was Cry on Cue, Please. I think
Possibly.
Guy is so poetic and all of that. So I've been told in my DMs that this is a lovely song, you love it, etc. etc. So okay,
Sure.
let's get to it. Produced,
Yes.
mixed, and mastered by Super Duper Sultan, written and performed by Johnny. Oh, Tala Yunus has left a comment on it. Johnny is not future anymore. He's representing Urdu rap.
All right.
Stamp of approval has come.
Yes.
Chalo,
Wow. Let's watch.
let's do it. So come nahi, 1, 2, 3, play.
ना भी अब आए तो हम नहीं, वो ठहरे ही जालिम पर हम नहीं। अब जी भी तो चाहता है रोने का, पर होती है आंखें नम नहीं। अब पास से मेरे कोई भरम नहीं, मुझ में बस यादें दफन रही। अब जी भी तो चाहता है हंसने का, पर होते ये दुखड़े क्यों कम नहीं। अब उठाए तक न फोन मेरा, उसके सिवा इधर कौन मेरा। जिंदगी से नया गिला रोज मेरा, मैं किस्मतों को बुरा भला बहुत करा। ये बड़े हालातों से हार के हम, वक्त की घड़ी में कहीं तो गिरफ्तार थे हम। जमाने की नजर में तो बेकार थे हम, पर उनके लिए बड़े जाने सार थे हम। वादा निभाए न जाए तो वहीं तोड़ देना, हम सफर न बन सको तो वहीं छोड़ देना। अगर खफा हो तो मिलके कभी बोल देना, अगर मैं दागादार थोड़ी सजा और देना। दगाबाज मुझे कोई पहचान नहीं है, वो कहे वफाएं निभाना कोई आसान नहीं है। कैसे एतबार करेगी वो भला मेरा, उसका मानना मैं कशों का ईमान नहीं है। अब रहे ना रहे हम, गम सह ना सके हम। यूं ही लिखते हैं फलसफे, पूछो तो उसको के याद भी है हम। ना भी अब आए तो हम नहीं, वो ठहरे ही जालिम पर हम नहीं। अब जी भी तो चाहता है रोने का, पर होती है आंखें नम नहीं। अब पास से मेरे कोई भरम नहीं, मुझ में बस यादें दफन रही। अब जी भी तो चाहता है हंसने का, पर होते ये दुखड़े क्यों कम नहीं। नशा था उतर गया, वक्त गुजर गया, बेबसी के आलम में समझ में मर गया। जो डर गया तलब रही तेरी क्यों, सब साथ तेरे अकेले तू। तेरे आगोश में बिखर ही न जाए, मुकर भी न पाए, अब घर ही न जाए हम। कैसे वफाएं निभाए, निभाते निभाते कहीं मर ही न जाए हम। हुए नीलाम हसरतों के बाजार पर, दिल भी दिए जाते हैं मयार पर। तो खाक होगी तुम्हें हमसे दिल लगी, कुछ नहीं बचता मुझ में मौसीकी निकाल कर। वो देते नसीहत अब मेरी मिसाल पर, वो आबे हयात रखा यूं संभाल कर। नसीहत ही मिलती जब आते हुए याद तुम, अब लौट आना बस मेरे विसाल पर। अब रहे ना रहे हम, गम सह ना सके हम। यूं ही लिखते हैं फलसफे, पूछो तो उसको के याद भी है हम। ना भी अब आए तो हम नहीं, वो ठहरे ही जालिम पर हम नहीं। अब जी भी तो चाहता है रोने का, पर होती है आंखें नम नहीं। अब पास से मेरे कोई भरम नहीं, मुझ में बस यादें दफन रही। अब जी भी तो चाहता है हंसने का, पर होते ये दुखड़े क्यों कम नहीं।
Oh my God. I have a new favorite.
I know.
I
Yes,
just-
me too. There were so many conflicting thoughts going on in my head. एक तो सबसे पहले जब आवाज विजुअल से मैच नहीं होती ना, आवाज है मतलब एक बहुत ही सधी हुई एक वेरी मैच्योर आवाज सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि एक पर्सन को सारे इमोशंस का इंफॉर्मेशन है, नॉलेज है, सब कुछ है। एंड देन यू सी द वीडियो एंड सी द पर्सन एंड यू आर लाइक, ये तो Like
so
how
young.
much right how that level of maturity and that level of like awesomeness and that romanticism in the voice and
Yeah.
every that depth, how is that coming from this person? It's amazing. So that was one very
Mhm.
strong thing that was constantly going on while I was watching the video. The video was really nice, the beat was really nice, and it had this, I can't, that romantic quality
Mm.
which doesn't come just from the music, but it's his delivery.
Yeah.
You know, एक वो नशे वाली आवाज होती है ना
वो
कि like
शेर
one is
शेर जब बोलते हैं वो वाली like punch line पे कैसे deliver करते
नहीं
हैं उस
singing
line को.
में नहीं
हाँ.
नहीं नहीं singing वाली like
That's
I'm
what I-
talking about
हाँ.
that how when we normally talk we'll talk like this, but then when you talk like this there's a difference, right? There's a difference between regular talk and then there's a difference between talking like this. So ये जो
Yeah.
talking like this वाली आवाज है ना like full aisa, like it's the charm on voice. He had
हाँ.
it packed out in that
But I
song.
mean his
It's
voice was treated also, na? It had that layer on top.
yeah
So,
but
but
the
still,
overall
Mm.
the impact it has, that's
Yeah.
what matters. That's
Yeah.
what makes a song. Otherwise mixing
strong.
hoti nahi na kisi bhi gaane mein. The
Yeah.
reason you make a mixing, that's when it matters. So overall the impact it had, it's clearly like visible what impact it had. And and yeah, just like fantastic. Like midway I was like, forget about talking, trying to figure out what all things are there which I like and all. The 2-3 conflicting things that are going on in my head, all which I'm loving. Let me just like enjoy it. And the wordplay, the lyrics, everything was amazing. Like I just like, I like it. New favorite, like you said.
Yeah. I mean, for me, he's a poet. He's a poet par excellence because there's no like other way to say it. The guy is a shair and he thinks in shairi, and every line that he writes is a shair, and it's an amazing like every line. I can't even like throughout the song it kept going. The hook itself, the chorus part itself was like some 8 lines, I think, and every
Yeah.
line is so insanely good, like every 2 lines, every couplet, and he then goes into the verses, and every line of each of the verses was profound and deep. So I was like, ab ye bola hai, what a thought. Ab ye bola hai, oh my god. Oh my god, what is going on? So I was like, we have to go through the lines. We have to go through the lines. But overall, the thing is, the beat was so relaxed and vibey and chill. And like you said, just andaz mein he was delivering it with the mixing and the layering on top of his voice was just so, this is addictive. This song is addictive because every time you listen to it, each line will hit you in a different way. And because there are so many lines that will hit you, it's like I shouldn't say this, but it's like a drug you want to keep taking. It is very, very, very addictive. What a song, man. Oh my God. I can see why Tala Yunus would leave a comment like that. It was so freaking good. But why? Okay.
Why what?
Why does it not have enough views? I mean, enough though. I mean, it's got like, when we're recording this, it has 150,000, but it needs more. This is poetic brilliance, so good.
I'm still like
in the
reeling.
zone. Yeah.
So I know, that's why I know I'm a little quiet, but I'm still reeling. I mean,
this is why I was saying, like, जब वो शेर और शायरी करते थे back in the day, the poets and kavis and shairs, they would say the first line like, okay, matter of fact, okay, yeah, they're setting up, and then they'll twist it and they'll marrow the thought, and then the delivery style also then changes to add either the sarcasm or the wit or the dry humor or whatever it is that they're coming at you with. He's doing that in the song so well. So that's what I was like, and he's singing it. So it's just, I love it. Freaking hell. I'm just 1 second. I don't want to end this without, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but just gine chune lines I want to just pick out, because वो ना भी आए तो गम नहीं, वो ठहरे हैं जालिम पर हम नहीं, अब जी भी तो चाहता है रोने का, पर होती है आंखें ये नम नहीं, पास मेरे कोई भरम नहीं, मुझ में बस यादें दफन रही, अब जी भी तो चाहता है हंसने का, पर होते ये दुख है क्यों कम नहीं. I mean, okay, वादा निभाए. It's going to be very difficult to pick and choose. बैठे हालातों से हार के हम, वक्त की घड़ी कहीं तो गिरफ्तार थे हम, जमाने की नजर में तो बेकार थे हम, पर उनके लिए बड़े जानिसार थे हम. Okay, we've got to go over this offline, but yes, absolutely loved it. You guys, you're recommending all the good vibes. I love it. Keep it coming. DM me with more requests, and let's explore Jani more, na?
Yes,
say?
please. Yes,
What a poet.
100%.
What a poet.
Let's do that. So
Loved
tell
it.
us what is the next song that, you know, from Jani, which you think, अरे वो तो सुनना ही है, पड़ेगा, वो वाला please भेजो. We'd love to.
Yeah, and please share this song. Share this song with all your friends. I'm gonna share it with my parents. It's just such a beautiful song. Share it with everyone you know. Let's spread the good music. And check out Miss Bola's website also while you're at it. It's linked below in the description.
Yeah, considering like, yeah, there are like some lots of new shows that have just launched like last week. Like everything that I've been working on in the past whole year, like many shows have just ekdam say audiobooks, audio shows, everything is released on the same day. So
It's Miss
so it's
Bhola
good.
everywhere.
Yes.
Go check it all out. It's on her website. And do support the channel as well. And so we can keep doing this because we love it. You know,
Yes.
these songs like this
Yes.
make our day. So yay. Chalo, on that note, take care of yourselves and live long and prosper.